Always go for the back brake. It's stronger.
The back one?
It's stronger, yeah.
The foot one. Okay, use
Yeah.
the foot one, he said, okay? A little bit, all right?
Gas is important, even though it's high around here. If not, you will be broke down around here.
You want
Start it up again. Let's go.
you want to?
Turn it to the left, though. Ease on the gas.
Listen.
Ease slowly on the gas.
No,
Leah. Take your time on it.
That's where that mud come from. See how I went, whoa. That's right. Oh, you see it?
That foot off it.
Yeah, look, my hand.
Know when to use reverse, too. She's like,
You gonna run into
Yeah, so y'all want the bunnies? I'll pay y'all to take them.
It was the first good turn. No stalling, no stalling. There we go. No stalling. That was right. That's right. Oh, brick wall. We knew we were gonna be.
Okay, reverse. Is that reverse? Remember? You see it, right? Don't press
Do
this
what
again.
King just said.
Pay attention. Leah, stop pressing this.
Once you hear, yeah, you are. Once
You
you
are?
hear it, just let it go, baby.
It's
Once you
over.
hear it start, let it go.
Okay? So, don't press this.
Yeah, move.
Remember? You gotta pay attention and look at these signs, man. Camera.
We out here.
Back tire was saying,
That was really fun.
She did really good going around that neighborhood. She really did. She was learning how to control the gas and come up off of it and slow down, even though you with the back brake. She got it now.
that's the crew.
We had so much fun and just that fast, they just told us now we can't be out here. No, I want to play ahead on the horsepower.
There you go.
It's the Ace Power. This is how we doing it. No satisfied customer once again.
Yep.
Oh, you see it?
You see it.